What we have here is a beautiful weeping Japanese maple. It's gigantic. It's standing over 3 feet tall, not including the pot over here. Has a beautiful exposed root, which are always so much fun to look at. Give it a nice character to the tree. You can see we got some moss. Loves living on the tree. It's a great sign of the tree is over a health and age. Really good aged, thick looking bark. Thick as my hand wrapping around. Beautiful thin lace leaves. Starting to weep down. It's absolutely gorgeous. See a little bit of pruning action, keeping it healthy and safe while it heals. Just a little bit of tree putty there. Totally fine for the tree. Just how we keep things looking the way we want them to look. But man, what a beautiful aged tree. I can't even get all the way up there to show everything. It's gigantic on the stand over here, but beautiful weeping Japanese maple bonsai tree for sale here at Love My Bonsai.